Welcome back. Want to grow long, silky hair, and fast? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing my ultimate hair growth secrets that will have you flaunting those dream-worthy locks in no time. So, whether you're dealing with dryness, breakage, or just want those inches to keep coming, keep watching to unlock the secrets to gorgeous, flowing hair. 1. Rosemary water. For stronger, healthier hair, bring 3 cups of water to a boil. Rinse a few rosemary sprigs, then add 3 to 4 leaves to the hot water. Allow the water to simmer until it turns a light brown color, then turn off the heat and let it cool for 20 minutes. Remove the rosemary leaves and strain the water into a bottle. Use this rosemary-infused water daily as a refreshing rinse to boost hair strength and shine for the best results. 2. Japanese hair mask. For silky, long hair, try this Japanese-inspired hair mask. Start by taking 1 cup of rice, rinsing it thoroughly, and then cooking it for about 10 minutes until it softens. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of castor oil, then blend everything into a smooth paste. Apply this mask to your hair and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Use this nourishing mask once a week for beautifully silky, shiny hair. 3. Use a silk pillowcase. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase, which reduces friction and helps prevent breakage, leaving your hair soft and smooth. 4. Onion water. For boosted hair growth, take 1 fresh onion, blend it thoroughly, and strain the juice into a bottle to capture all the nutrients. Apply the onion juice directly to your scalp, massaging it, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, repeat this treatment 1 to 2 times a week for stronger, thicker hair growth. 5. Don't brush wet hair. Your hair is more prone to breakage when it's wet. Use a wide tooth comb after drying it partially to detangle gently. 6. Rice water rinse. For healthy, shiny, long hair, take 1 cup of rice and rinse it thoroughly twice. Add water, cover it, and let it sit overnight to release all its nutrients. The next day, use this rice water as a rinse, leaving it in your hair for 1 hour before washing as usual. Repeat weekly for smooth, lustrous hair. 7. Trim regularly. Trim your hair every 8 to 10 weeks to get rid of split ends. This keeps your hair looking healthy and allows it to grow longer without breakage. 8. Aloe vera mask. Aloe vera not only soothes the scalp but also promotes hair growth and deeply nourishes. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. This natural treatment is ideal for dry, damaged hair, restoring moisture and shine. 9. Protein-rich foods. Hair is mostly made of protein, so having protein-rich foods like eggs, nuts, and beans in your diet will help. Aim for a balanced diet that includes all the essential nutrients. 10. Protein mask. Try this nourishing protein hair mask. Combine 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and 1 egg. Mix well, apply evenly to your hair, and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly for healthier, stronger, and shinier hair. 11. Avoid tight hairstyles. Tight hairstyles put stress on hair and can cause it to break or even fall out. Always go for loose buns or braids, especially when sleeping. 12. Hydrating hair. Drink plenty of water. Hydrated hair is healthy hair, and a lack of moisture can cause your hair to become dry and brittle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel.
Bye!